Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign up on Trust Wallet account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet app and then right away tap on this option of Get Started. Once I tapped on the Get Started, this is how the interface is gonna pop up, where you will find two options, which is create a new wallet and add existing wallet. Go ahead, tap on this option of create a new wallet to sign up. Now you will have to create yourself a passcode. Go ahead, add in the passcode. Make sure you add the one that will be easier for you to remember and is quite strong as well. And then tap on confirm. Then you will find this option of secret phrase. You can choose to create it, so it will give extra security for your account. If in case anybody knows your particular secret phrase, your account can be in danger, they can access it. So make sure to create it and save it to yourself for the reactivation purpose as well, in case you forget the information. Once you're done with that, your account will be created and it will look like this. You can go ahead, browse it according to your need, and you're good to go. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.